Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So this is a sign up for the Christmas Altered Book Swap sign up. I have a Halloween book. Yes, I do. So I didn't want to wait till I made a Christmas one because that could take a really long time, right? And so I wanted to get this out and get people signing up so they can make their books and get excited about it. The one thing I'm going to say is Annette McWarther and Diva Z Russell, can you email me your address because I'm waiting on the address rubbed off of the things that y'all sent. Okay. So here are the rules. Must send book to me no later than November 10th, 2008. No exceptions on that. The reason why is a lot of people are going to use these as December daily, so I need time to record, send out the books back to everyone. Here is my address. It will be linked in the description box if you want to pause it, screenshot, whatever. That is my P.O. box. If you have my home address, send it there. Book must be 31 pages, not including the first page. What does that mean? When you're doing your, and I recommend, if you guys have never done these, go watch the videos. There's 3 videos linked in the description box about ripping out pages, covering your book with fabric, and ripping out pages, covering the book with fabric, and there's one other one, adding the pages, okay? And I will talk about 2 important factors. So one of the factors is this is your first page that goes to the book. This does not count as 1. So this counts as 1, 2, and so on and so forth, right? So must have 31 pages, not including the first. Must be Christmas themed. The book must have Christmas holiday themed. Christmas, not fall, not Thanksgiving, Christmas. Must send me $13. Okay. These books are big. People send gifts. It's the holiday season. I'm going to send them in a medium flat rate box back to you so people get them on time. You can send me these books in a box, media mail. It will be a lot cheaper for you. It is a book. It will come here. Put it in a box. When the post office asks you what's in there, there's books and paper. That's what you should do. But if you're sending toward the end of, like if you're sending like November 5th, don't send it media. It'll take too long to get here. Okay, do not wrap book because I will show it on a video. Don't decorate the book and wrap it all up because I have to unwrap it. Tissue paper rips. If you want to cover it for me to send it, you can send that paper. I will wrap it for the person that gets it. Every page must be decorated with Christmas paper. So the one thing that we're asking is that every page be decorated with Christmas paper. I think that is kind of self-explanatory. The other thing that is changing on this one is that I'm requiring that everyone cover their book with fabric this time. So that is something that we're changing. Must include address. So I want everyone to send, if I've ever sent you friend mail before, you probably don't have to worry about this, but I want someone to send me a card, like any kind of piece of paper, just with their name, address. Please print it because I'm not really good at reading people's handwriting so well, so print out your address so that I can send it back to you. And I want to have the book to have some kind of closure, some kind of way for the book to close or for the person to tie. This is really simple. I just took some rickrack, glued it right onto the fabric. It works. It doesn't move. That is what we're asking. So this is a book that I've never shown before, and I will do a flip through and we'll talk about some things that I have learned and that you guys should, might be helpful. One thing, bookmarks. So a lot of people asked how to put the bookmarks. Okay, bookmark, you just slide it in there. I use a little hot glue. It's the only thing I really use hot glue on because it just holds it and doesn't work. So in that little hole when you're putting fabric. If you haven't watched those videos on how to do all that, I recommend that. The other thing is, remember when you're cutting your pages, you need a 1/4 of an inch gap. So your pages are not going in, because as you go down, you need for your pages to fit in. So there needs to be, whenever you're measuring your page, take 1/4 of an inch off, then cut your paper. So for instance, when I was making this book, and I'm pretty sure I have that paper over here, I would take a scrap piece of paper, and here's the exact one I used, and I basically measured my book, and if you notice, this is the perfect one, wrote my size on it, which I didn't, but I wrote it somewhere else, and then but if you look on this, as the books go in, it takes off. So when I measured it, I took 1/4 of an inch off. On this one, I didn't use washi. I put acrylic paint. It's the acrylic cheap, like under $1 at Walmart. That's what I use. So what you do is you glue all your pages together. If you notice, these have the pages. After you glue your pockets, you take paint and go down each page, and you just go in the crevice, in the outside. One thing I didn't like is when you glue your 2 pages over, like where you rip it, I noticed that with that, it was kind of a nightmare and the pages got warped. So with all that messy stuff in the middle, you can use your paint and lay it down, and you don't have to worry about it. The gap is good. So those are things, I really like the painted look. Let me think whatever, I think that are the things. Elijah, turn that down, please. Are the other things that I address and talk about. So this is a book, and I'm just going to do a really quick flip through. There's a double pocket. There is a belly band with a tag. There's a pocket here with a tag, and these are just all fabric tags that super easy to do. There's a pocket over here, and it flips out. I left this page blank because it's beautiful paper. This is a tuck spot up here and a tuck spot there pocket. This is a tuck spot that kind of goes across, and I really love these, and they just kind of flip, and you can write stuff in it. And then there's this beautiful ripped pocket. This is a tuck spot. This is a double pocket that has something in there. This opens up like this, and you know what? I forgot to put something in. That is a pocket. There's a tuck spot over here. This is a double pocket, and then you can write whatever you want on here. Tuck spot in the front, and then it opens up. And then there is this pocket. This is a tuck, not a pocket, a tuck spot, and then it has these cute little pockets. There's this, and I need to put this is a 3-pocket belly band, so it has behind here, here, and here, and I need to make these, which I will do. This is a tuck spot, pocket. This is just a page I left blank because I really liked it, but over here, this opens up, and it's got some of the tablets pages that are sewn in, and then back here, there is this one. There's these 2 pages, and I didn't do anything because it's gorgeous. There's this page. Belly band, tuck spot, tuck spot, pocket. This is a pocket, but it opens all the way up on the side. And then the double pocket here. And then this page opens all the way up like this. And there is a tuck spot here. And then this is the back. It has a double pocket. So that is just some ideas for creativity. And if you guys have any questions, put it down in the comment section below. I hope that a bunch of y'all join. It was amazing. We're not done. I'm going to be putting out videos for all the journals. Every journal that comes to me will have a video, its own video. If you haven't seen yours yet, it's coming, I promise. Same thing with Christmas books as well. So I hope you guys join. I hope that you guys, the ones that did join, enjoyed it and had fun. Again, questions and comments put below. All this information in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Way I am, and I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.